So the dishwasher was constantly draining. We inspected it, found that the float switch was, this is the float mechanism that was broken. It's on the inside here, and because it's broken, it's too light right now, the piece inside here, and just basically not pressing on the switch at the bottom, and the dishwasher is constantly draining. So we need a new mechanism. No water underneath here, so everything is good, but we just need a new piece like this with the new rod, and it should fix the problem.